Hi guys, I am Isa, and today we're going to learn how to make a password cracker using Python. Alright, so we're going to import random, and actually I'm just going to say from random imports rand range. So I'm going to say pass is equal to underscore pass is equal to input. What is the password? So let's just print underscore pass. Alright, so I'm gonna say chars. Let's just make them to be A, B, and C for now. I'm gonna say length is equal to len underscore pass. Alright, so we're gonna say while true, we're gonna say result is equal to, it will be an empty string. Result is equal to empty string. And we're gonna say that's for I in range length, then result plus equals random rand range chars. Actually, let me just do this. But now let's run it. Yeah, it's going to be plus equals chars random dot rand range. Oh wait, no, it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be random dots. Or going to be random dots choice chars. So now let's run the file. Oh yeah, sure. I'm gonna say print results. So now let's run it. As you can see, it's generating many different stuff. Now I'm trying to put all the characters D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, Alright, so now we've done our list. So now we'll be able to generate, these real stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna say chars upper is equal to chars dots. So it's going to be chars dots upper. So we can only use the upper on strings. So we're going to make chars upper to be an empty list for I in chars. Chars upper plus equals to I dots upper. So now it prints both chars and chars upper. Let me just put all this stuff here. As you can see, it's going to print everything. Alright, so instead of writing chars upper, I'm just going to write chars. You don't really need this upper variable. So now, if I print chars, oh yeah, that can't really work because you know it's just gonna be infinite. So now I'm going to say for I in chars upper chars plus equals I mean chars dot append I. So now if we print just chars, we're gonna get every letter. Anyways, so now it's just like chars dot append dot comma yeah, whatever. That's gonna be 2 points each out the best. Anyways, so now let's do it. Alright. This is generating many passwords. Okay, I'm gonna say if result is equal to an underscore pass, then print done the password is result. That's gonna break. Alright, so this is only practical for passwords that are short. So I'll give it just to N. It's gonna figure out in a really short time. Even though it's gonna take like quite a lot of attempts. So if we do like Z, so if you do a 4 letter word, it's gonna take significantly longer. But yeah, 4 or 5 letter words should still be able to finish. So yeah, that's gonna be after today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.